please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
South Indian Bank numbers are up for you on your screen. An NII growth of 12% on a year-on-year basis. The company has reported a profit of 114 crore, which would compare with 75 crore. And the asset quality has seen a marginal deterioration only on a quarter-on-quarter basis. VG Matthew, the MD and CEO of the bank, joins in now. Good afternoon, Mr. Matthew. Straight away, if you could just give us some color on your slippages, and on account of the Feb 12th RBI circular, what percentage of the slippages came on account of that?
Yeah, the total slippages during this quarter is 614 crores.
Okay.
And we had recoveries of 409 crores, recoveries including sale to ARC. And therefore, we had a closing balance of 1,980 crores. Now, if you look at the corporate slippage, total slippages of 614 crores, 482 crores came from the corporate book and 132 crores from the retail book. And the corporate book, out of the 482 crores, 353 crores are road projects, 4 road projects, and one gold manufacturing company, which is 102 crores, and one textile company, 27 crores. That is the kind of breakup that we have got for the corporate slippage. And the entire case in respect of the road projects is essentially coming out of the revised regulatory stance. And these road projects, actually 2 of them are annuity projects, but the difficulty is that there may be some cash flow mismatches going forward, and we felt we may not be able to support them, and therefore we have decided to recognize them as NPA and then look at any resolutions going forward.
Okay. All right.
And also, along with that, we have cleaned up the restructured standard book. That is a very important parameter for us because it was 200.
All right.
And also, along with that, we have cleaned up the restructured standard book. That is a very important parameter for us because it was 248 crores at the beginning of the quarter. And today what is left out is just 57 crores. So the 2 road projects which were there in the restructured standard book have got cleaned up here.
Okay, all right. Sir, if you could help us out with a couple of details more. What was the loan growth in the past quarter? And if you could help us out with the NIMs as well.
Yeah, the loan growth has been 17%. We had projected 18%, but we have been able to achieve 17% because of some recent sell-off and also some significant prepayment that we have been able to collect in one of the accounts in the corporate book. This has come down. Otherwise, we are well on target of 18%. Okay, NIM actually has improved on a YOY basis by 12 basis points, although in the quarter it is a 3 basis points reduction, mainly coming out of the write-down of interest in the case of the restructured standard and other NPAs.
So what is the number, sir, the NIMs?
The NIM number is 2.84 right now, 2.84 for this quarter compared to 2.72 same quarter last year.
Okay. Have you spread out the provisioning over 4 quarters, or you've taken it on your books completely in this quarter? Yeah,
we have, in terms of the treasury, we have taken the benefit. So that is around 34 crores. And we had a gratuity number of 20 crores, which is also deferred to the extent of 20 crores. So total deferment is 54 crores.
Okay. And what was the credit cost this quarter and your outlook on the same? Do you see it improving? How much stress is still left in the books according to you now?
See, the part of the book that always gave us some trouble in the last 3-4 years is the 100 crores and above syndicated loan part of it. Okay. Now, there are only 56 accounts left with a total of 9,304 crores. Of that, 74% is A-rated and above. So what I'm trying to highlight is the quality of the book that has emerged now, the cleanup that has happened over the last 3-4 years, particularly from the fact that, we have completely stayed away from the most stressed sectors during the last 3-4 years. That has really helped us in stabilizing the book significantly. But for the revised regulatory guidelines, we would have been very consistent with our market guidance of around 250 crores. But then we decided that we would do the complete cleanup on that.
All right, sir, if you could help us out with what's your cost to income ratio as of now?
Cost to income ratio has improved to 47.17%.
So on a sequential basis, that would compare with a number of more than 50%, right?
Yeah, it was 49.20 last
so
year. So on a YOY basis, it has improved 203 basis points. Yes.